Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is a 10-inch MDF board in which we are going to create a beautiful dot mandala. Even a very beginner can follow and recreate. Let's get started. I'll start with dotting in the center in gold. Now I'll keep some dots in sky blue. The sky blue and gold is a favorite color combo for my younger son who edited this video. I'll keep some side swipes in sky blue. I'll keep some dots in gold. Now some tiny dots in gold. I'll keep some plumpy dots in gold now. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some plumpy dots in sky blue now. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Some more plumpy dots in gold now. I'll make these dots into swipes. Some sky blue dots now. Some golden dots now. I'll keep some sky blue dots again. I'll do tiny dotting in sky blue now. I'll keep some golden dots now. I'll keep some dots in sky blue now. I'll keep some swipes in sky blue now. I'll walk the dots in sky blue. I'll keep some golden dots. I'll walk the dots in gold. I'll keep some brush strokes in sky blue. I'll keep some brush strokes in gold. Now I'll keep lumpy dots in sky blue. I'll make these dots into swipes. To me, this dot mandala is looking really vibrant and beautiful. Thank you for watching this video.